Today we are going to be talking about the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm can work for you and sometimes can be against you. The YouTube algorithm can give you views, and at the end of the day, you may not be monetized to receive your hand-earned money. So in order to make that happen, in order for you to benefit from the positive side of the YouTube algorithm, you just simply need to follow the terms and conditions of YouTube itself. Post videos at a certain point in time. It could be in the morning or in the evening, depending on your country, depending on your location, and so that you could have so many views, so that the YouTube algorithm can favor you. Right now, I think the YouTube has changed its system, and it favors a lot of new YouTubers, in which you could get so many subscribers, and once you have the right subscribers on your channel, you begin to have views. It's not like those days that you upload videos and before you even see 2 views, man, you wonder maybe you opened your YouTube at the right time. So right now things have changed, and right now, if you want to have subscribers, you upload shorts. I will explain that in another video, but right now I'm talking about the YouTube algorithm. For it to favor you, just simply need to obey the terms and conditions of YouTube itself. Community standards needs to be aligned. Your videos has to be on point, for it to favor you. And also, you need to understand that the YouTube algorithm robot reads your titles of your videos. So first, you have to title your videos from the point of, if you're editing from the point of production, you rename your videos to a name that the algorithm will be able to read it. At the same time, be able to read it in such a way that it can share it, search for the people around its community that will accept your video.